Hello, everybody. Wagwan. How is your weekend going? I hope it's going great, refreshing, ready to face the market this coming week. So, in this video, we're going to be looking at potential trading opportunities that we have for the coming week of the pairs that are on our watch list. Starting off, we're going to start off with JPYX, the Japanese yen basket, which will give us a pretty good picture of what's really going on with the Japanese pair. So this is the daily time frame. We can see prices are kind of consolidating a bit, if you will. So if you look at it from a lower time frame, such as the 4-hour, we can get an even clearer picture of what's really going on down here. So if I zoom out, you can see that voila. Excuse my weird sense of humor. So we can see prices are actually still ranging a lot. Like since the beginning of August, prices have just been ranging. So far, prices are still ranging. So it's very unprofessional, if you will, or jumping the trigger, pulling the trigger too early. If you take a trade in JPYX as it currently is, it will be very wise if you just wait for prices to break maybe below here, or if they break above it. That will actually make much more sense, because prices will have already given us the direction in which they want to go. But currently, it's very hard for us to actually predict what prices are actually doing, which gives us a hard time anticipating what CAD JPY will be doing. As you can see, it's also ranging a lot, like no actual trend, just a bunch of ranging markets. So JPYX, CAD JPY, we are also not going to be looking for any particular trade at the moment until JPYX gives us a impulsive move. Same thing with Euro JPY. Prices are just dancing around a lot. So we're not really going to be trading these two pairs. So let's get back to DXY, the US dollar currency index, and see what's up with that. So if we take a look at it from the weekly perspective, we can actually see that prices are actually crazy bullish. Prices are insanely bullish. You can see prices last week closed with a solid bullish momentum, closing above the most previous high, indicating that prices have now broken the most recent high. So prices are undoubtedly crazy bullish. So we'll just be waiting, or we'll just be anticipating to see a continuation in the bullish direction. So if we look at it from a daily perspective, we see the most recent broken structure is somewhere here. And on Friday, prices closed with some kind of a doji, indicating a lack of momentum, obviously. So from there, I'll be anticipating some kind of a retracement and a continuation to push prices higher on the US dollar index. So how will this affect the other currency pairs? So I'll be anticipating to see USD JPY, obviously, since it's positively correlated to the US dollar. I'm anticipating it to see a continuation as prices just look at this broken structure, retest, continuation, broken structure, retest, a little bit range, broke above, retest. So I'm anticipating to see some kind of a continuation. If prices do retrace due to the US dollar retracing, then I don't anticipate to see prices breaking below this low, below this market structure. So prices perhaps will come back here, but it's very hard for prices to break below this structure. Then from here, I'll just be anticipating to see prices pump until at least maybe 152.000 somewhere here. Now we got Euro USD. Prices just broke this descending trend line, this ascending trend line in this market structure. So what I'm anticipating to see here is prices to give me some kind of a retracement as the DXY pulls back. So will the Euro USD, because they are inversely correlated. Then from that retracement, that's when I'll be anticipating to see some kind of a continuation. Right. Now we got GU. Obviously the picture is clear. Prices have broken below this structure and ascending trend line, I'll be anticipating to see some kind of a retracement and a continuation before we actually get that move right there. Right? On Friday, prices closed with a doji, indicating a lack of momentum. So I'll be anticipating to see some kind of a retracement and a continuation after that. We got gold. Prices gave us a 1, 2, 3 touch here. Prices bounced off the 0.368 Fibonacci key level. Last Sunday, obviously, I anticipated prices to start dropping, and they have done so. So for the coming week, obviously, I'll anticipate to see a continuation for prices to keep pumping until they reach somewhere down here. But obviously, we have to be very careful as we have a structure here. So once prices reach somewhere here, you have to be very careful either to close the trade or secure some of the profits, because anything can happen on the market structure. So that's my view on the currency pairs that are on my watch list for the coming week. I'll mostly be focusing on the US dollar because the JPYX isn't really giving me a lot of trading opportunities because it's mostly ranging. So we'll just be waiting to see how it will keep on unfolding. Should it give us more trading opportunities, then we'll take advantage of it. But so far, we'll just be dealing with the US dollar. So till next time, guys, I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching this video thus far. If you're still not yet a part of the team, be sure to subscribe. Join our free Telegram group that we share updates on the lower time frames as the week unfolds. You don't want to miss that out. And without further ado, take it easy out there. Nothing but peace and love out here. Let's have a great trading week. Let's kill.